This tutorial is about verifying your account with Capital.com. After registration, you will see the account verification page. We provided personal details and investment info during registration. Then saw this page. If you entered your user cabin, find Verify Your Account in the profile area. We can continue verification on this system or mobile. Click this option. We provided our investment amount and income, and after that we encountered this page. If you directly entered your user cabin after the registration process, you can find the Verify Your Account section in the account or profile area and go into that section. So as you can see, we're on this page, and we can continue the account verification process either on this system or on our mobile phone. Let's click on this option. On the next page, we confirm our agreement for our documents to be reviewed for account verification, and then we click on the Continue button. We click on this option. On the next page, we confirm our agreement for our documents to be reviewed for account verification, and then we click on the Continue button. On this page, we select the country that issued our document and the type of document, which can be a passport, driver's license, ID card, or residence permit. On the next page, we need to upload a photo of the front and back of our card. This document can be in the following formats. The maximum size of 20 megabytes. After uploading the photos, we click on the Continue button. On the next page, as you can see, we need to provide a 3D scan of our face. We can do this part on a mobile phone that has a better camera quality. Now, let's click on the Continue on Phone option, and by scanning this QR code, we can complete the steps on our phone. Keep in mind that when scanning your face, it should be fully in the frame and clearly visible. We click on the Continue on Phone option, and by scanning this QR code, we can complete the steps for our phone. Please ensure that at the time of face scanning, the face must be completely in the code and visible with sufficient quality, ensuring that it is clear and distinct. After scanning our face, we return to our browser, and as you can see, we are verifying our credentials. So, as you can see, after a few minutes, we receive a message stating that our account has been successfully verified. Also, if you check your email, you'll see that your account has been successfully verified. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll be with you to teach various deposit and withdrawal methods with the broker Capital.com. Wishing you success and profitability. Wishing you success and profitability.